All right, what's up, guys? So I just got finished up with my trading session for the day. I took one trade on NQ today. I went long on it. As you can see, I ended up making around $250 in 10 of my PA Apex accounts. So in total, made around $2,500 in profit on the day. So if you guys don't know, I trade live every single day on Zoom with my private group, and I was able to catch this trade live on that call. So that being said, let's go and roll the replay from this live trade this morning.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. So I'm watching the school pretty closely here. We're actually getting a setup right now, if I'm not missing anything. Just waiting to see how this candle closes. All right, not the best close. I'm gonna wait out on this. Another candle. Okay, so that just closed. So I'm gonna hop in here. Wait, what's going on? Why? I have to exit this, guys. Oh, I'm not copy trading. So I just traded on one account. I thought I traded the minis. I did trade the micros. All right, one sec, guys. I just screwed that up. Accounts are not copy trading for some reason. I basically traded 70 micros on one account. Well, that's annoying. I don't know how my accounts got uncopy traded. So I don't remember touching that at all. Okay, so this is just posted. So saying higher probability to go back to highs. 498, 497 got tested already. So I'm interested in playing longs based on what they're saying. We could still test 496 though, which would basically be the bottom right here. All right, so equal balance here. I bought up, equally sold off so far. I was hoping we get a pullback, but even on a 30-second, we're not. We're already almost back to 498. All right, just need to get above this level. Okay, they just updated 1 minute ago. Basically, just saying that we're likely to bounce off 500 if we get there. Okay, we could be closing above here. Okay, I'm gonna hop in long and I'm gonna put my stop below this low down at 72. Well, that's not good. It looked like we're closing above, but we could still hold. Let's see. I'm gonna move my stop to 77. Okay, I just got my trim there. That's 611. Throwing the stop at break even now. I think I trimmed around 60% maybe. So we're basically waiting. I would hold this until like we get up here on QQQ, just under 500. Either that or I get stopped at break even. That's probably going to be around 30 or so. So I'm just going to put a limit order around there because I hate getting out on market orders on NQ. All right, big pullback there. Just didn't want to break 620 there. Potential retest here. There we go. Moving the stop to 03. A few points away. Okay, we just hit 80 on there, so I'm gonna get out. Fully out there.
All right, so to explain my thought process more on this trade I took, mainly what we saw was, obviously we saw the trend start to reverse once we hit down at the support area. And we saw a nice strong trend forming, good volume. And we just had this resistance right here, right? This is right before the market opened during pre-market. So I basically wanted to see us close above this resistance and get some kind of setup once we close above here. Now, I ended up playing this on the 30-second time frame, mainly because, I thought the market was just moving too fast. And, inside the live session, like I was trying to get in from down here to VWAP, right? Because I knew that there's a high probability we get back to VWAP. But as you can see, there's no pullbacks even on a small time frame. I mean, we can go down to like a 5-second time frame and we can see, there was little pullbacks on the 5-second, right? So just like getting in right after these light pullbacks, getting in here, light pullback, getting in here, putting your stop right below the pullback. But again, the 5 seconds just too small, right? I don't like to play that, especially if the market's more choppy. It could just be a dangerous game to play the 5-second. So the lowest I will go is the 30-second. As you can see, we basically just had straight green candles. We ripped up all the way. So I was waiting for us to get above this level because there's still more room to go up, right? We still don't have much resistance once we got above this level, which wasn't like a huge resistance area. And anyways, if you guys don't know how I trade already, right, I'm basically always trading with the trend. I'm getting in on the pullback. So as you can see, once we get above this level, we still had room to go up here. This is like my main target area up at the 640. You can see I took it fully off at 630 area. And then we didn't have a supply zone until way up here. Okay. So anyways, let's go back to the 30-second time frame and kind of show you what I saw. Again, waiting to see us crack this 90 level. So basically when we had this run up, we kind of slowed down right at this resistance level with this little pullback, and I want to see us close above this, right? So really above this high, we never really did. And then what happened was we got this light pullback again, and this candle actually closed above everything else. Okay, it closed above this high, which was also above that pre-market high as well. So I actually entered right here. I didn't get the best fill. I got filled at like 91 or so. And again, I just put my stop below the last swing low, and then I set a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio initially, right, which is at 611 up here. And then from there, I went for a higher target. So we ended up pulling back a little bit. We ripped up immediately, consolidated, and then it eventually hit my target up at 629.50. So Anyways, that was a trade for the day. Now, what we could also do is we could go over to a 2-minute time frame, and we can see, like, even if I didn't trade this 30-second time frame, what happened was, right, we got this massive run up. I'm looking for an intense move up and then a light pullback that goes with the trend, right? We got this really intense move up. We surpassed our resistance level, right? This on a 2-minute time frame. And what do we notice here? Let me just delete this, right? We got this light pullback. So I'm basically just looking for any kind of red candle. And as you can see, we got a red candle right here. You could have got in on this next candle. We had the RMAC above our top line, indicating that we're in a bullish trend, right? We put our stop right here at 603, right below this red candle. Could have got in around 617 and rode this to a 1 or a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So even if I missed it on the 30-second, I could always switch back to the 2-minute and take it on there. Some people like to trade it on the 1-minute, right? So you can see we had a light pullback here. Could have got in, put your stop below this red candle. Same thing here, same thing here. Right, so this is what I love about my strategy so much. When we get an intense move up or down and we're seeing that light pullback can kind of develop on any time frame, right? Whether it's a 5-minute, 2-minute, 1-minute, 30-second. It's just the smaller the time frame you go, you have to be more careful that we're not in a choppy zone, right? We're not at a key resistance level, right? So usually waiting till we break that key level, then we get that light pullback like right here. That's when you want to get in. And then just also making sure we have that confirmation with this RMAC indicator. So anyways, that was the trade for the day. There was plenty of setups on pretty much everything. There was plenty of setups today, whether it was on NQ, ES, gold, oil. Usually once I take a winner, I step away and I call it a day and wait for a new day. Real quick before you guys go, I want to let you know that I have some more spots open for my coaching program. So inside this coaching program, I'm looking for a few more motivated people who are committed to becoming a profitable day trader. So inside this, if you're struggling and you just want an exact system to follow with very specific rules, confirmations, and someone to explain it very in depth, versus just like a 5-minute YouTube video like I did here. Inside this coaching program, I'll personally teach you my strategy for 30 days. I'll personally be reviewing your trades for you. So you can send me in your so you can submit your trades to me. I can review them, what you did wrong, what you did right. And I'll even be trading live with you on Zoom Monday through Fridays. So you saw those live calls today. If you want to be a part of that, it's available inside my coaching program. We'd love to have you inside. Like I said, I have some more spots, some more time to help some more people. So if you're interested in joining the coaching program at all you have to do is go to the first link in the description below. It's going to take you over to my Instagram account. All you have to do is message me the word trading on my Instagram account, and I'll send you all the details from there. Just want to ask you a few questions to make sure you'd be a good fit to join us. I'll see you tomorrow morning inside our Discord group for another live trading session at Market Open. All right, guys, take care.